Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your progression or your save data on the PowerWash Simulator 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PowerWash Simulator 2 game on your device. And once you continue to play your game, if at any point of time you wish to clear your progression and start all the way from the beginning, then in order to do so, press the escape button within your keyboard and from the home menu, click on the gear icon at the top. Then within the general settings menu, you will see the clear save data option at the very end. Go ahead and click on it and you will now be asked whether you are sure that you want to clear your game progress. Click on the confirm button and now your progress will be reset and your game will start all the way from the beginning. Now you can start playing your game from the very first mission. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your progress or clear your data on the PowerWash Simulator 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.